Hi, I'm Tony, and along with my friend and colleague Sophie, we'll be offering a series of workshops over a weekend exploring the Dukkha, the stress of aging. Each of the four workshops will actually start with a meditation, an opportunity to cultivate a contemplative, spacious, grounded attitude with which to inquire into this fundamental aspect of our experience. Over the weekend, we will explore our own personal views and attitudes around aging, conditioned by our social, cultural, and gender identities. We will also look at how aging is intimately bound up with loss, with illness, and with our own mortality, and also how it impacts our perception of time, but also how our perception of time influences how we experience aging. And then we will also explore how practice, and in particular the four tasks, can enable us to actually meet this aspect of our experience and to find freedom in the midst of aging, and also what we might actually mean by that. What would freedom look for us in the midst of our experience of aging? So, of course, this topic is of particular interest to me because, as you can see looking at me, I'm at that time of my life where aging actually becomes more prominent. Although we all age from the moment we're born, there comes a point where aging actually becomes more poignant and more prominent in our lives. It becomes something that actually influences our experience of our day-to-day life. So I look forward to exploring this topic, this really deeply fundamental aspect of our lived experience with you and Bodhi College.